All right, so I'm gonna show y'all. So you see right here. So what it's gonna basically do is we click quick generation right here. We're just gonna generate your thumbnail. So it's gonna basically generate the thumbnail, and this is how it works. So like I said, vidIQ has this new generation thumbnail AI tool that you can come up with ideas without you knowing. So it saves us a bit of time. So yeah, and we can use it for our video. So big shout out to vidIQ. So it basically watches our video, and it makes us a thumbnail to everything that's going on. And these thumbnails come out so clean. You see right here. So Navy video done. You see it. So it comes out so clean. So look, I could download this. Literally download it. I could have it improve it. So if I want to improve it, but I'm just showing you how clean vidIQ is. So like I said, shout out to vidIQ. Saved us hours long. A designer would have took designer like fucking decades doing it. So AI is really the way. But like I said, I'm posting sauce on my unedited channel. Thank you vidIQ, and vidIQ, if you watch this, love y'all. For love y'all more, y'all see me a lot. And yeah, so with that being said, is enjoy this. Thanks vidIQ. Alright, so I want to show y'all this little feature that vidIQ now has. vidIQ now has. So when y'all go to finish doing your video show, this is a cool feature. So if you want to check it out, check it out. But what vidIQ now has, where when your video is done fully, when it's fully done, you can now basically click here, and it will create the whole fucking thumbnail for the video. It will create the whole thumbnail. You can download and use it. I literally use this version right here. Literally use this right here for my other for this one right here, for this video. I literally use the same thing and it works. So like I said, they come out with great CTR thumbnail. So you might want to check this out. You could get a few coins, yeah, a few tokens, I believe, and then after it runs out, you gotta wait a certain while to use it again. But this is how it mainly looks. So even if you want to go here, you can just grab it, change it. It takes 22 tokens, but this is what vidIQ got. So you see here, it puts my face, and it makes the whole thumbnail good. Which it comes up with a great concept. It doesn't just like Photoshop would do, but which is great. But this is what I just noticed. So I'm the first one to cover this. So make sure y'all go tap in vidIQ and use we gonna get a code soon called TayReese. So go tap in vidIQ, bro, and tell them TayReese sent you in the chat. And yeah, bro. But yeah, so like I said, I'm posting this now on my edited channel. It's a new feature that I literally just showed y'all, and I'm gonna wait for this to fully render. But yeah, this new concept, and then if we're gonna go to quick create, what it's literally gonna do is vidIQ got this so great feature where it watches my video and it picks up on my face. Somehow it scans my face and it puts my face like in the thumbnail. That's what I love about vidIQ. So yeah, there's new concepts, many ways you can do it, but this feature is great. This feature actually helped me get a great CTR. So like I said, I'm posting this on my unedited channel. Go use this feature. This feature helped my video very good, a good CTR, but what made it die out was the AVD, but the CTR was fine. You see 9%, which is great. But what made it die out was the AVD, but yeah, so use this feature right here, and it gets you a good CTR thumbnail. So it can put your face on it. It can do it for any niche. All you just do is go to quick create, and this is exactly what it's looking like. So it made this one too with AI. So I love this feature that actually vidIQ came out with. It's great, it's neat, and it's cool for coming up with ideas. So like I said, if y'all want to buy vidIQ, go ahead. Not telling y'all to, but it's a nice feature that they came out with. Great feature, nice for growing our channel. So 4 minutes left, so make sure y'all check it out. But yeah, so I'm gonna actually show y'all how I'm gonna use it for this right here. So 4 minutes left. So once this fully processed right here, it's gonna render, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna like go through it and generate the thumbnail. But vidIQ is probably the best thing. And for this right here, quick show how many viewers like this. We'll unclick this. Viewers are able to comment, yes, we'll leave that on. Education, yes, because it's showing people ways to grow. So make sure I know your category. So if y'all want to know your category, all y'all can basically do is just copy your title over to Gemini. Gemini will tell you your category for your niche, and then you tell what type of video you're doing. So yeah, so like that's really helpful right there. But yeah, so like I said, that new feature that actually vidIQ came out with, I'm going to be using it to get a lot of viral videos, and it's quicker. So like I said, if y'all want to even try out a thumbnail tool, you can use pixels. You can use that new generation tool, vidIQ. vidIQ works well for thumbnail ideas, but AI's really the way, bro. There ain't nothing else to AI. AI's a quicker way. It used to take us like fucking decades to do it. So now it's Premiere right here. So it's Premiere. All right, so now it's Premiere. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna basically go to this. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna go to quick right here, create stunning thumbnails tools in one click. So now what it's gonna do is it's gonna create the thumbnail. It's gonna create it basically in one click. So yeah, so what we just do now is just wait and it's creating the thumbnail. So like I said, this tool could really work well, especially for beginners, especially for people who can't come up with thumbnail ideas. Please check out this tool if y'all need it, bro. It's with VidIQ, bro. VidIQ literally got it in their package. So if you want it bad, you could bad. If you want to do a free version, you could do a free trial. But like I said, you get a few coins, and then after it runs out, you gotta wait a certain while to use it again. So like I said, it's really great for new beginners, new people that's coming in the game that want to do YouTube. So yeah. So yeah, so it'll pop up over here. It'll say edit. You see right here. So we're gonna quick generate. What's gonna basically do now is generate me a thumbnail to this video. So like I said, it's a preview. VidIQ could really do a great job with this. So I might want to check it out because VidIQ, it will save you a bit of time. But that's all I have for today. But yeah, that's all I have for today. But yeah.